Hi, my name is Randy. I'm from Pacific, Washington. I got sideswiped, and yeah, I just needed some work done on the car after that, obviously. They were just very friendly, really easygoing. The shop was immaculate. It was very clean. That was important to me. It shows that they take good care of things. And actually, the end result was actually what I was really surprised about, because you know, I know one of their mottos is, you know, auto body like it never happened. And it was definitely what I experienced. It looked actually better than what it did before I had it, so which was really nice. I know that the headlights, I have kind of an older vehicle, and the headlights were kind of fogging out, like where you couldn't see through them that well. And they actually, it wasn't part of the scope of the damage, but they actually went and buffed those out, and which really surprised me, because I mean that took extra time for the guy in the shop to work on that. And you know, time is money, and they obviously, you know, put their money where their mouth is when they say that, you know, they wanted to make it look like better than what it did before. So I was really pleased with that. Without a question, they did above and beyond what I expected, and I would definitely go to them again if I needed to. Hopefully I don't have to, but I would go there again, absolutely.
Collision 1. Auto body like it never happened.